Let's see what we got in the box. Here's a little look at the top of it before I take it out all the way. And here it is. This is a fan that I've been looking for a long time. This is a Lakewood SPC LT18. It is very similar to the Lakewood HV18, it just has a different grill. This one is from 1996, has a McMillan motor. Same motor that's on my 96 Lakewood HV18. And obviously, like I said, the grills are different. The 96 HV18 that I have, it has the same badge, same blades, but the grill on that HV18 looks like this one. This one's, I think, from 94. This is a second gen. And there was also an SPC LT18 version of the second gen Lakewood HV fans, and it had this badge on it instead of the newer one, but it had that same spiral grill that one does versus the radial spoke grill that the HV fans do. But the second gen and onward Lakewood HV18s that still had the blue blades and were USA made, they all had the spoke type grill rather than the spiral grill. Got another second gen HV18 right there. There's a first gen HV18. As you can see, that one is spiral, but when they went to the second generation, the HV18 models got the radial spokes, and then they had the SPC LT18 fans with the spiral grills. So 2.4 amp motor, just like the HV18. This thing's pretty dusty, so I'll have to be cleaning it, but there's the switch on the top. Nice place for it. Cord looks like it's in good shape. Still got the ground pin. So let's test it out. We'll start with high speed. Very powerful. Seems to be running pretty smooth too. And there it is off in the distance. This thing's got a real quiet low speed. I love that. Let's see how the spin down is. Not bad at all for something that's probably never been oiled. I'll do a startup sound going up to high speed. I'm going to take the grill off and take the blade off and clean it. The motor I'm going to vacuum off, and then I'm going to take it outside and blow it out with the air compressor. And with this one, it does have screws, but I don't mind these because these are actually high quality screws and they're not cheap pieces of crap like a lot of the modern ones are. So just vacuuming the motor off made a huge improvement. The front of it, for some reason, was just totally coated in dust. And doesn't look too bad in the back either. Still going to blow it out with compressed air. And I'm going to do that outside. blade is still filthy. I need to wash that. Now we got a nice clean motor and a nice clean blade, all ready to put back together. No dust on the back either. I'm gonna put oil in the oil ports on the front and the back, and I'm going to just put some directly on this shaft, just for good measure. And here is the 96 HV18. Same blade set, same motor, same badge, same switch. It just has a different style grill. This one's getting a little dusty because I used it quite a bit, but I will clean that off. And then this one, I think this is probably the newest of the third generations that I have. Badge is a little different, same plastic molding, but it doesn't have a sticker on it. And the indicators on the switch are different too. This one does have a McMillan motor with oil ports, but the vents on this are a little different. There's 4 sections of vents compared to this pattern on the older ones. Got it all put back together. It's cleaned and it's oiled. Sure turned out nice. This is a really good looking fan. Let's go up to high speed. Feels more powerful now that it's clean. I really like this fan. Like I said, I've been looking for one of these SPC LT18s for a while. I will show my 96 HV18 later in this video just to compare the two. This one is really running great. I love how quiet it is on low. This is my industrial commercial version of the Lakewood HV18. This is also a 3rd gen. I think this one's from 97 or 98. It's got a 2.4 amp McMillan motor on it. And yeah, this is just another one of the 3rd gens I have.